Now let's start with explosive meter. So this is explosive meter with the ballista, the aspirator to take the sample gas, and here it is showing the reading. So explosive meter measures LEL. We have seen in flammability diagram what is LEL. So this is the lower explosive limit, and suppose here it is 1%. So this LEL we need to check very finely, because between 1% and 0% there is very little gap. So this LEL of 1% is divided again in 100 parts. So if the instrument is showing 10% LEL, then this is the level, that is 0.1% in the volume of the tank. If the instrument is showing this one 80% LEL, that means it is 0.8% volume of the tank is containing hydrocarbon. So this LEL is divided again in 100 parts, and that is what we measure here. This is your 0 to 100 of this LEL. So when do we need to measure so finely? When we have finished the inerting and we want to do the dilution with air. This time we have the percentage of hydrocarbon is very less, and we want to measure very finely. So we below LEL also we keep continuing and keep measuring the hydrocarbon percentage. But the working principle is same, Wheatstone bridge, but we have a catalytic filament here. Catalytic filament means the gas enters and the filament reacts with the gas, and there is an exothermic reaction. Hc plus O2 will give you H2O plus CO2 plus heat. That is what we studied in chemistry. So this heat which is produced will heat the filament, and because of the heat, that resistance will increase, and this resistance will be measured in the galvanometer, and that reading will be shown here again. So explosive meter is used while gas spraying here, and the principle is Wheatstone bridge. It is used during gas spraying. It needs at least oxygen should be more than 11%. This one, because at least 11% oxygen is required for burning. So once we finish inerting, but that means LEL or volume is one less than 1% of hydrocarbon approximately. Then we start measuring oxygen from the oxygen meter, and till the oxygen is 11%, we have to measure only the oxygen. Once the oxygen is more than 11%, then only we can start measuring using explosive meter. From 11% to 21% of oxygen, we can use explosive meter. So it is a catalytic filament, and heat and resistance increases. So this is all about explosive meter. Then we have the same power button and zero adjustment, calibration, adjusting the readings, fan gas, alarm checks, and power button.